The audio you just listened to sounds similar to what forest ecosystems within the Rocky Mountains sound like. It sounds loud and busy, full of life, which is exactly what ecosystems are. Ecosystems are incredibly complex, however, ecosystems within the Rocky Mountain National Park demonstrate a specific ecological concept perfectly, which is the importance of conservation. Ecosystems are important to conserve for a multitude of reasons, including maintaining biodiversity and natural resources. The Rocky Mountains are home to an array of unique ecosystems, including the montane, the subalpine, the alpine tundra, and the riparian region, each characterized by unique vegetation and abiotic factors. Therefore, it hosts a vast number of species, including more than 60 species of mammals, almost 300 bird species, and a large amount of insects. It is crucial to conserve the biodiversity of the national park because its variety of ecosystems sustains over 1,000 species of flowering plants alone. Conservation of biodiversity is an important ecological concept because it regulates factors as basic as the food we eat and the air we breathe. A variety of organisms fulfills more niches, which ultimately balances ecosystems. Rocky Mountain National Park currently has 2,917 acres of designated wilderness with over 24,000 acres of recommended designated wilderness. Another reason conservation of the Rocky Mountains is important is to maintain important resources. For example, water. The Rocky Mountains contain a vast amount of natural resources that impact people directly, such as clean drinking water across Canada. There's currently an act in place to protect watersheds and a land use framework that recognizes the importance of biodiversity for healthy forests and ecosystems, as well as stresses the value of watersheds within forests. There are many Indigenous perspectives and teachings that should be incorporated into the context of the conservation of ecosystems. Netukulimk is an ecology-related concept the Mi'kmaq people have used to sustain their deep and mutualistic connection with the earth. It essentially emphasizes leading a healthy life while continuing to respect and value the resources the land provides for us without jeopardizing its health, and ensuring its use for many generations into the future. In the context of conservation and ecology, approaching it with an attitude similar to this will allow us to remain grateful and inspired to continue taking care of the land that has been taking care of us as well as every other organism on Earth since the beginning of life. Another term often used in Mi'kmaq culture translates to all my relations. It refers to the interconnectedness between all living things, which is clearly reflected within ecology, as we know each organism can be impacted by another or the environment, even when seemingly unrelated on the surface. To ensure healthy ecosystems for humans, non-human organisms, and plants for many generations, it is important to remember to remain grateful and mindful of where we come from and everything that the earth provides. Conservation of the ecosystems within the Rocky Mountains is a great example of how interconnected every aspect of ecology is and why it is important to protect every component.